going to start with the wiring. The wiring with 3 breakers. Alright, you have 1 breaker, and we are going to use the first breaker for chore, the second one for generator, and this one for inverter. Okay, we are going to introduce here black, red, and blue from chore power. Alright, from the generator, I have exactly the same black, blue, and the phase red one from the generator. We are going to do the same. You need to be careful in the order, the color in the same order. Okay, here we have a black, we have neutral, and you have the other phase here. What about the ground? Where is connected the ground here? The ground goes here and goes directly into the ground bus bar, and the ground bus bar is connected with the bonding conductor. Yeah? Bonding, and the bonding finish into the sacrificial anode. In some cases it's zinc, magnesium, yeah? The sacrificial anode. Alright, this is the ground, and in the ground I have 1 element, important.
Galvanic isolator.
The galvanic isolator. I cut it and I insert in series my galvanic isolator. Good? Pay attention to this. This is the phase 1, the hot. I am going to use phase 1 with phase 1 and phase 1. And we are going to do the same with the phase 2. Phase 2, phase 2, and phase 2. That's okay? And we are going to do the same with neutral. Neutral, neutral, and neutral. And because this is connected together, from this point, I am going to continue into my boat. From this point, I continue to the panel. And from this point, I continue to the panel. Pay attention. If this and this are off, and this one is on, only the power of this one goes into the panel. If this and this are off and this one on, only the power of this goes into the panel. Anybody follow me? And what element is located here? The transformer, no? How is the process internally in the transformer? Look, the phase enter, the phase touch over there the frame. When the frame is connected in a common point with neutral. And after that, continue the second phase. And this is the second phase. This is the process internally. And here I have the same. And this is neutral. All right. And I am ready to enter in my panel hot, neutral, and the other hot line. The breakers, the transformer, and this is the main breaker of the AC panel. That's the main breaker. Okay, I am going to wire those breakers. What is the gauge of this wire? Depend on what? Correct. Depend on the capacity of the main breaker. How I know what is the capacity of the main breaker? According with this plus this.
Yeah.
No? In some cases, I need this breaker. This is the main breaker. What is the capacity? This is for 150 amps. Yes. Or 100 amps or 60 amps. Yeah? Depend of the total load. This breaker is for double phase or 3 phase? Double phase. Hot, and neutral. If I have about 3 phase, the breakers are with 4 positions. Can I put neutral here and phase here? Or neutral should be always in the middle? I can use depending of my configuration. Okay guys, we are going to organize this side of the boat with the red phase and this side of the boat with the black phase. I am going to bring my red one, and I am going to bring my black one. Okay, I am going to organize. This is one phase because it's double phase breaker, and the black one is coming from
The other side.
This one.
Okay.
Okay, the same here. I am going to fit one phase here, and the red one. You see? And now in this breaker I have two different phases. One is the red one, and other one is the black one coming from the front bar. Always is the same. Because you have one ammeter here, voltmeter and frequency meter, and you have ammeter, voltmeter and frequency meter, and you can see if both phases are equal balance.